Hello everyone and welcome to another live from the workshop. So today I'm going to be making another Emperor Dalek, another Paradigm Emperor Dalek, but those of you may remember when I played City of the Daleks, the Doctor Who Adventure games, we're introduced to a Paradigm Emperor Dalek that basically looks like the new series Emperor, but in a blue Paradigm colours, and at the time I said that would make a really good custom. So, having recently got hold of a Dalek patrol ship, I've taken it apart, and basically this basic shape, hopefully I can eventually turn into a Paradigm Emperor. Obviously I need to build up a custom base and obviously do a lot more customizing to it, but for now, the whole thing just needs a repaint, so that's what I'm going to get onto. And finally, here is my finished Emperor. And I'm going to have to do this quick because I'm running out of battery power. Overall, I'm really pleased with how it's come out. The bottom half is a little bit wonky, but you know, it's come out great. Obviously, I've got the arms and everything in there as well, and obviously the Dalek himself. It would be good at some point to rig up some lights with this. I did actually factor those into my original plans, but I haven't got round to doing them yet, or I never got round to working out how to put it in. But I might do that at a future date. But as it stands, here is the finished Emperor. Really pleased with him. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.